Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to sign in Google Ads account. If you have created a Google Ads account before many times for using, now you want to sign in your Google's account, I will tell you in this video how to sign in Google's Ads account and start earning and start a run ad on the Google Adwords account. Many of people don't know how to sign this Google Ads account. Let's start how to sign in Google's Ads account. First of all, you log in the Gmails where you create a Google Ads account. After logging a Gmail's account and putting the password, then click now. If you have two-step verification, that's asks for your code signing on your Gmail's account. For starting, I will tell you, search here Google Ads account. Click here first link you see. This is the very best, and directly you go on a Google Ad account, and one Gmail where I have created on this Gmails I have created this account. I sign in. So like you sign in first Gmail account, then click on the first link. Google is now, you see a new window over here, and to help to get started with Google Ad, you will give USD in free credit when you spend $400. When you spend $400 in Google Ads for running the ads and for YouTube or for different website, then you will get $400 in free in your Google Ads account. This is a policy and offer from Google. And now you can read many more other things are written on the Google Ads. And now you move to sign the Google Ads account. Okay, looking the right side corner of the window, two options available here. First, sign in, and other one is start now. First click on a sign in Google Ad account. Okay, first click over here. After clicking, your account will be signed in automatically. Net is very slow. If you have internet connection fast, you're running very fast. Okay, now you see your Google Ad account is signed in automatically when you click on the link and sign in button. Okay, now you can see over here your campaign. If you run a campaign for YouTube, you can see here. Okay, how to create a campaign I will tell you in this video. Create a new campaign. Okay, if you many or more options, you can see first sales, leads, website traffic. If you want to get a website traffic, you can click and create a campaign for here. Product and brands consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion. If you have app on the Play Store, you can promote from here. Local store permission for like Amazons and etc. you want to sell, and create a without goal guideline. If you have a video you want to promote a channel and promote a video, you can click over here, and then a new downside open a new menu more option. If you want to get a search views from right time on the Google, this is for website performance max display ad in the for the website. These are for website and it's for shopping. Okay, it is discovery ad run on the YouTube Gmail discovery mode, and this is for YouTube. And smart ads app ad here, and a video ad here on the YouTube get more conversations, and click over here and you can get this option. It will be automatically close and turn into 4 options. Okay, get views, yeah, or click here, and effective reach and target frequency, non-skippable ad over here, audio over here. Okay, you click get views, then you click to continue over here. After clicking to continue, you see many more options, and I will tell you how to run ad. Okay, first you put the campaign name like this. For example, I want to have insurance video, I want to run ad for insurance. Okay, and this is not capable, optional. You want to change campaign name, it's not matter. Bid strategy right here, and campaign total campaign you want to daily $1. I want to spend $1 daily. Okay, ending date just 1 day. Okay, a video partner program, and United States country. Language you want to select English. Select the English language here. Already select. Related videos you want to change. If you have a related video, you can put here. Group name, additional setting in Go, show specific for I run on the mobile phone. Click one per day, one impression. It's show one person for one time, not all the time. Okay, yeah. Video, add group name right over here, and unknown names and age over here, and keyword, any keyword if you want to put and replace the keyword over here, you can do. And you can put the video. For example, I want to run and other select the video from YouTube. I will select any video from here to show you how ads is looking. So I want to select for example this ad. Okay, this ad. Okay, this ad. Okay, save note, copy the link and put here, and put here a skippable ad. Your longer video longer than 3 minutes does not usually perform. Will shortly. It's mean your video is longer 3 minutes, we will not run ad, skippable ad. Okay, in feed ad, this is capable ad, and for 31 views available already, and your bid is over here 0.09. total bid is set over here. You can see here how many views you will get in $1, 170 views. Okay, if you want to increase your views, and you go here, scroll up, click 1,000. For example, I want to spend $100, I will get 16,000 views from in $100. Okay, all countries, click here, 70k views from all countries. So like this you can run the ad from this. If you like our video, so like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.